Hey Gems, welcome back, it's Lorena, and today we are here with June's Boxycharm unboxing and of course the updates from May's box. But first, as usual, we are going to open up this baby and see what came because that's the point of this video. Alright, I haven't had coffee, so if I'm a little bit like loopy, I apologize. So here's the card. They went back to the like trifold, which is really not my favorite. I prefer this. Wastes less paper, takes up less space. So, just my thoughts. Alright, it says Caribbean Queen. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products again, ranging from $5 to $42. Yep, okay. So, let's hop into here. Alright, we've got another brush set. They're doing brushes a lot, which some people are getting annoyed with. I don't blame them. But these are from Luxie, and I freaking love Luxie brushes. The only ones I own have gotten through Boxycharm, and I'm not sorry about it. Like, not gonna lie to you guys. So we've got 3 brushes here, and it says 3-piece flawless complexion precision foundation brush 660 with less bristle density. This brush is perfect for applying both powder and liquid foundation to create a soft diffused makeup look. Tapered highlighting face brush 522. This fluffy tapered brush allows you to seamlessly apply your favorite powder highlighter to the high points of your face or set your under eye makeup. And then the duo fiber powder brush, use this ultra soft duo fiber brush to apply cream or powder makeup for a softer flawless finish. This retails for $42 for the trio. It says handcrafted makeup brushes with high quality soft synthetic bristles using hypoallergenic, vegan, and cruelty-free materials. So there you have it. This one is tapered highlighter. They're a little squished because of the packaging. This one is the precision foundation, and of course the duo fiber powder. Alright, these are a little small to be honest, but they will work. This actually feels like it would contour well. Not that I do that, but if you did, this would be a good size for it. And yeah, I do see myself applying like highlight with some of these. So, yay for that. I do love Luxie. Their eyeshadows blending brushes are like my faves. So, yay for that. Can't wait to try them. Alright, next we've got, I'm gonna grab this little box. It says Baddington Lashes. Okay. Eyelashes. It's really cute packaging. Real cute. If all else fails, bat your lashes, is what it says inside the box. The packaging is really cute too. So this is the box. Pop her open. If all else fails, bat your lashes. There you go. I've never heard of this brand. So, Baddington Monroe Silk Lashes. The 3D multi-layered Baddington Monroe Silk Lashes enhance your look with moderate length, adding a volume and length to your lashes. They're handmade with 100% silk and impressive durability, allowing up to 25 applications with proper care. This retails for $28 for a pair of lashes. Yeah, I'm not going to spend that much money on lashes, so it's a good way to try a new brand because your girl doesn't play that game. I rarely wear lashes, so it's already a little challenging. I have a party coming up this month though, so I'll definitely give them a try. I'll let you guys know about that, but my skills are a little bit weak, I'm not gonna lie to you. Okay, moving along. We've got, this is Junkie Bleu again. This is what shade? Charcoal eyeliner pencil. I love the lip liner we received from them a while ago, so I'm excited about this. This one retails for $5. The 100% vegan waterproof eyeliner pencil glides on smooth for an elevated eye look. Use along the upper lash line or waterline. This is the waterproof eyeliner pencil again in charcoal. Alright, nice fine points. It's not dry, which is good. I don't know how strong the pigment is. I had to go over it like 3 times for that to show, but I'll let you guys know next month how that turns out. Alright, then we've got from Ofra, their long-lasting liquid lipstick. I got the shade Verona. This long-lasting liquid lipstick is a one-step full lip color that does not feather. These vibrant colors will give you a vivacious new look. They are creamy and soft in texture, moisturizing the lips and creating a long-lasting lipstick effect. No need to use lip liner. This liquid lipstick gives a beautiful edge to your lip look. Retails for $21. I have quite a few Ofra liquid lips, and this is one of my favorite formulas. They're matte, but they're not overly drying. They don't suck out all the moisture from your lips. They stay really well throughout the day, so I already know that I'm going to like this because I like the brand in general. Their shade Pasadena is one that always gets me questions. What are you wearing? Well, you know, like, what's on your lips? Oh my gosh, it's such a pretty color. It's just a gorgeous nude. But this is Verona. definitely on the brownish, like it's a brownish rose deeper shade. I could play with that, so yay for this. They're just one of my favorite liquid lip brands. So next we've got the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. It's inspired by the Brazilians' favorite feature, the Bum Bum. It's creamy and rich in guarana, a native Amazonian plant whose fruit contains one of the most potent forms of caffeine. The fast-absorbing texture contains just enough mica to add a perfect Brazilian glow, as the formula helps your body look and feel its smoothest and tightest. This retails for $10 because it's like the teeny tiny travel version. And everybody at Sephora loved this thing. People bought it left and right. And the scent, I know, was so popular with the clients that they actually came out with a body spray because everybody was like, I would wear this all over if I could. And so they were like, okay, we'll give you what you want. So I know people love this. It does smell pretty nice. I've never tried it. So I'll let you guys know soon how that works out. But yeah, it's actually just adorable packaging. I just love it for that, to be honest. Alright, and last item in here is this one here. This is Alamar Cosmetics. It says this Reina del Caribe is the name of this palette. It says this palette features 8 highly opaque shades reminiscent of the beauty and culture of Cuba. Dive into the pigments and pearls found in the intense metallics, or ground your look with the warm richness of the creamy mattes. For a more intense application, refer to the shade names that feature a water droplet that can be used with a wet brush. The sun symbol for application with a dry brush. Alright, so there we have the palette. I love the bright color of it. Ooh, okay. It's quite heavy on the orange. Like these tones, like I've said a million times, I'm so tired of, but they do look really pretty. Let's see. There's Guantanamera, Stray Cafecito, Celia, and El Malezón. Alright, let's see. Ooh, okay. Not bad, not bad. I barely put my finger in there, and pretty good pigmentation. That one at the top though, look at that shine. Hello. That's the one I was having trouble with the name. El Malezón. And then we've got La Costa. Okay, that wasn't the best attempt. It's at the very top. If you guys will be able to see that one. Alright, let's see. Clean my fingers, see if I can get another one. So we'll go with Coco Taxi, Trópico, y Verdadero. Varadero. Okay, I don't know what a Varadero is. But there's the last 3. Really pretty, really smooth. Can't wait to play with this. This might be my next look. We shall see. But that's awesome. Again, that retails for $28, and I've never heard of this brand either, so. Alamar Cosmetics. Muy bonitos. Alright, that's it for this month. Keep an eye out for an update. I'll probably do an eyeshadow look with that palette because I'm feeling it. Alright, as for last month's update, the brushes, I'm just going to come out and say I didn't keep. I don't even know where they are, to be perfectly honest. I was looking at my collection going, yeah, they're not here. What'd I do? I don't know. So all the brushes are gone, like the trio and then the face brush. Don't know where I put them. Probably in my like give to other people bag because I just, yeah, was not going to keep them. The Pretty Vulgar. I think I mentioned this in last month's favorites. I've been using this a lot. I really like it. The only downside is despite the adorable packaging, it's a little frustrating that you can't see how much you're picking up. So I have to like dip into there, and then any excess I put on the lid. So I'll dip into there, then clean up, put any excess on the lid, and then I'll go back to the lid to pick up, you know, whatever I need. But I used it today. I like how it dries down. It wears really well. I'm a big crybaby. I've cried with this. Haven't had any problem with smudging or budging. So I do really, really like this formula. Then we've got the Cover FX Blurring Primer. Not my favorite primer, to be perfectly honest. I don't know. I like Cover FX, but I haven't fallen in love with any of them that like I'm dying to go buy some more. It's just okay. It really reminds me of the Professional from Benefit, and I just don't prefer this type of formula. So it's pretty good, but is it going to be my holy grail? This one I probably will end up giving away because I have quite a few primers to get through, and I'm just not like completely in love with it. I need to keep it in my collection kind of a thing. So we've got the Longwear Matte Lip Gloss from Beauty Creations. I had the shade Sweetheart. I'm wearing it right now, but it was just a little bit too deep, so I put some Anastasia on top of it. I put Milkshake on top because this is just a really pale color, so it just kind of toned down. But this one I find to be a bit drying. It's not the most comfortable liquid lip, so you definitely want to put a lip primer. I've been using my MAC one quite a bit. It's literally right here in front of me. So I put this and then the matte liquid lip gloss. The matte liquid lip. And then the Anastasia. And I like it. It's really pretty, but this is pretty drying, so I haven't used it too many times. It's just okay. It's not going to be a favorite. Like the Ofra. Ofra, yes girl. This one, that's alright. Then, 1, 2, 3, 4, last but not least, was that it? No, the sculpting palette from Pure Cosmetics. This one, it's just too deep and I don't want to mess it up. I'm going to offer it to a friend or family member because the colors are just so dark and I'm so freaking pale that I can't mess with it. You know, it's just too deep of shades for me to contour or bronze with. So I'm going to offer it to someone else because I haven't swatched it, I haven't touched it. It's just why destroy something or wreck something that I'm not going to keep. So this one, it's beautiful. I like the scent. I think Pure has pretty decent formulas for most of their products, but this is just too deep for me. So that is it, guys. There's those 4 products, and then the other 2 were, again, the brushes, which I decided I don't need because I have enough and I wasn't loving them. So those I'm giving away as well. But that's pretty much everything from last month, and this month I can't wait to try these things. So keep an eye out. I might do a look with all of them very soon, but that's it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Let me know your thoughts down below. Have you tried last month's products or this month's products? Have you heard of this brand? I'm really curious about this. Alamar Cosmetics. I might go look them up because, yeah. Quality is pretty nice. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like, subscribe, join the Gems fam, hit the notification bell so you don't miss future uploads, and I will see you soon.